Hi, my name's Karen. I'm here at the Chief booth at ISE, stand 2C50, here to talk about our new Impact series of on-wall kiosks. We've got two finishes, black and white, with an exclusive design with a swing frame that opens up for easy access and maintenance, that actually keeps the panel attached to the frame so you can see all the cabling and access everything you need really quickly and easily, including some tamper-proof security hardware for deterrence. We have a depth adjustable frame that allows you to hit a wide variety of panels, which also allows you to get close to the wall for narrow panels, and a wall reveal between the frame and the wall that'll actually keep the panel flat up front regardless of how plumb your wall actually is. Internally, we have some storage options. You can utilize the pack boxes from Chief for an in-wall storage option, or you can go on with our new lever lock system that we're integrating from our sister company, Middle Atlantic. So in-wall storage, on-wall storage, both options, passive cooling for ventilation. Anything else you can think of, it's in there. So stop on by and check out the new Impact series from Chief.